And here you see, folks, the puppies coming out in their very first snowfall. Aww. Way to go, Harley. Come on, children. Whoa, Java says no. I'm scared. Oh, what is this stuff, you guys? Come on, puppies. What is this? Nico, move. Nike says it's fun. Are you playing in the snow? Come on, you big chickens on the porch.
Java, you go outside?
Come on, Java's scared. Nike's not. Nike's brave. Come on. Come on, babies.
One is asleep.
Of course, Big Poppy is. Look, they're shaking. They're scared to death.
Oh, they are? Yeah.
What is this? Does it taste good, puppies? As you can see, we have a little bit of snow going on. And they don't want to leave the porch. Okay, puppies.